Are you searching for best butane torch in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on Amazon products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to review top 5 best butane torch from Amazon. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Blazer GT8000 Butane Torch. This Blazer GT8000 butane torch comes with refillable gas. This torch has brass frame nozzle and attachable base. Its precise flame from the nozzle head will allow direct application of heat to the object and can be used for various purposes like plumbing, soldering, brazing, jewelry making, dental, culinary, etc. The anti-flare nozzle will provide safety and flame control. Since 1985, Blazer Products has created an array of professional and industrial tools and equipment. Located in Farmingdale, New York, the company manufactures a variety of microtorches and ultrasonic cleaners. Blazer Products is known worldwide for its original micro-torch products. Important feature, it has compact and portable design with wind-resistant flame, comes with a burn time of about 35 minutes, has ignition safety lock for risk-free operation. Number 2, Bernzomatic TS8000 Butane Torch. The Bernzomatic TS8000 high-intensity trigger start torch comes with an automatic start and stop ignition that allows you to easily light any flame. Ideal for soldering, brazing, heat treating, and light welding, the ultraswirl flame provides maximum heat output for large diameter works. The Sirzol is a handy attachment that is secured to the top of the torch to create the perfect temperature. Important feature, simple to control, auto start stop ignition easily ignites and extinguishes flame. Number 3, Sondiko Butane Torch. If you are looking for reliable butane torch, then Sondiko store is one of the trustworthy brands you can invest in. Their butane torch can be used for a wide range of applications that include caramelizing sugar, glazing baked ham, roasting bell peppers, crafts, welding, jewelry making and several others. Important feature, long-angled nozzle, safety lock, airflow regulator dial, aluminum alloy body, adjustable flame and continuous flame mode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.